Welcome back, Stoic philosophers, seekers of wisdom. Today, we're examining into the powerful teachings of a man who, despite facing incredible hardship, became one of the most influential Stoic philosophers of all time, Epictetus. Epictetus's life story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Born a slave in Hierapolis, Phrygia, modern-day Turkey, around 55 AD, he endured the harsh realities of slavery. It's said his name, Epictetus, actually means acquired or bought. Yet even in these challenging circumstances, he found a path to wisdom and freedom, not the freedom of the body, but the freedom of the mind. Unlike Seneca, whose writings were often addressed to a specific audience, and Marcus Aurelius, whose meditations were a private journal, Epictetus's teachings were primarily shared orally. His student, Arrian, meticulously transcribed these lessons, which were later compiled into the Enchiridion or Handbook and the Discourses. The Enchiridion is a concise and powerful summary of Epictetus's core Stoic principles, a practical guide to living a virtuous and fulfilling life. Epictetus's philosophy centers around a fundamental distinction: what is within our control and what is not. He argued that external events, wealth, health, reputation, even our own bodies, are ultimately beyond our control. What is within our power is our judgments about those events, our interpretations, and our choices. This radical idea is the cornerstone of his Stoicism. It means that true freedom comes not from changing our circumstances, but from changing our perspective. Epictetus emphasized the importance of self-mastery, of cultivating reason and virtue, and of accepting what we cannot change. He taught that we are not disturbed by things themselves, but by the views we take of them. This principle has profound implications for how we live our lives. It means that we are responsible for our emotions, for our reactions, and for our well-being. It empowers us to take control of our inner world, regardless of what is happening around us. Why is Epictetus relevant to us today? Because his teachings offer a powerful antidote to the anxieties and uncertainties of modern life. We live in a world that is constantly changing, a world filled with challenges and distractions. Epictetus reminds us that we have the power to choose how we respond to these challenges. He gives us the tools to cultivate resilience, to find peace amidst chaos, and to live a life of purpose and meaning. In the coming videos, we'll delve into specific themes from the Enchiridion and the Discourses. We'll explore Epictetus's insights on dealing with adversity, managing our emotions, and living in accordance with nature. We'll learn how to apply his principles to modern-day challenges, from dealing with criticism and setbacks to navigating difficult relationships and overcoming limiting beliefs. If you're looking for practical philosophy that can help you live a better life, then you've come to the right place. Subscribe to the channel and join us as we explore the powerful teachings of Epictetus. Let's learn from his wisdom and apply it to the challenges of our own lives. Until next time, remember, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus.